Hi, I received these moisturizing heel socks as a gift so that I could try them out and tell you about them. These are so nice. So they are Dr. Frederick's, and they do come with 2 pairs of the socks. And let me just show you the cool features about these. So on the inside is this moisturizing gel. Okay, and so then you've got this side that has the white band, this side does not. So the white band goes at the top. I'll just show you how to do it. It's kind of easy to figure out, but the white band goes at the top and you just slide it on your foot like this. And it's very cooling. It's a cooling gel. And it instantly starts moisturizing your feet. Now, you can do some added moisturization if you put your favorite lotion on your heels first and then put the gel socks on. That gives you an even bigger boost of moisturization. You can do it a couple of times a week and then exfoliate and make your feet a lot softer than they were before. So these are so nice. The Peach Fuzz is the color, but there are other colors to choose from. Very, very soft on the outside. I will caution you, don't walk in them because they're kind of slippery. So just kind of put them on, hang out, chill, wear them to bed. That's a really easy way to do it. Put them on when you go to bed, take them off when you get up in the morning to have the extra moisturization. So I do highly recommend these. They're so nice, so soft on the inside, the cooling gel soft on the outside, cooling gel on the inside. Just really great, stretchy. Love them, and they really do work for moisturizing your heels. Thanks.